Oh, well played. That's 4. Lovely, elegant cover drive. All the way along the ground. And really, he didn't try and hit it too hard. Just... Oh, and that's gone for 4, but that is a very lucky break, and that's a very frustrating fast bowler. I suppose it's a credit to him. He tried to get his bat out of the way, Sachin Tendulkar, and very nearly dragged it back onto the stumps.
Yes, trying to leave it alone at the last minute. Couldn't get his bat out of the way, tried to stop it there, and how that missed the stumps is anyone's guess. The gods are shining on him for his birthday. Damien Fleming would probably think that it's not his day so far.
That was unbelievable. Oh, he's nearly hit his partner. He's nearly hit his partner. Sachin Tendulkar. You need someone down the other end. I think Gangoli got the fright of his life.
Now you can understand why the protective gear that he wears, not necessarily for the bowling, for protection against his partner at the other end.
15 from 11. Sachin Tendulkar just clears mid-on. And another boundary. That's well gone over mid-wicket. One bounce and across the rope.
Match is still wide open. Either team can win from here. If Australia can pick up it.
That's turned away nicely around the corner. Again, very good placement. And the amazing run of consistency continues. Yet another half century for Sachin Tendulkar. It's his birthday today, and he's not let his fans down. And he swept him fine again. This will be another boundary. Mark Ward just drifting on the leg stump. And Tendulkar making him pay the price. And Tendulkar greets him by dancing down the track and hammering it over long on. This is amazing stuff. That's it. 100 number 15 for Sachin Tendulkar in one-day internationals. Tremendous ovation here from the crowd. What a player. That smash back, straight back over the bowler's head. And again, hit with tremendous power by Tendulkar. And he's not finished yet. Consecutive boundaries for Tendulkar. This man doesn't want to leave it till the end. He wants to get it over as quickly as possible.
Won't come about.
Oh, he's hit this one, Miles. Great shot. Oh, it's a biggie. Straight over the top. The little man has hit the big fella for 6. He's off his size. And he's smashed him down the ground. What a player. Triple player. I think he's decided now that he's going to finish this off quickly. Have a look at that shot. Frustration, but you're right. The batsmen get pinged for it. The bowlers don't seem to. Oh, this is high. What a 6. What a 6. Way down the ground. It's on the roof. It's bouncing around on the roof. Michael Kasprowicz is the new bowler. There it is. He smashed it high in the air and down the ground for 6.
Well, there's one lesson there for Michael Kasprowicz. He was trying to have a bit of a verbal with Sachin Tendulkar at the beginning of Sachin Tendulkar's innings, suggesting that he might have been just a little bit lucky with a couple of shots. You don't tangle with a batsman of Sachin Tendulkar's caliber, because that is what's going to happen. What Tendulkar is saying with that shot to Kasprowicz is, fetch it, mate, or get another ball.
Well, this little man is the nearest thing to Bradman there's ever been. What a player he is. And there he goes again. Whack. One bounce. Oh, it's got it in. He's kept it in, has he? Or did he run outside the line to get it back? Get ready down the far end of the ground. If it's pitched up, it's going to go. A big appeal. Oh, he's given him. He's given him out LBW. Now, this is an interesting decision. The innings is over. They're all on their feet around this ground. It's a wonderful innings we've just seen. 2 knocks in the row of the highest quality, Sonny.
Absolutely. It's been a privilege to watch this innings. Very disappointed getting out when he knows that he's brought India